Hello everybody, we're gonna do some unboxing of Pokemon, the first batch. These are all of them too. I wanted to choose Pikachu because he's one of the MCs or main characters from Pokemon. Oh, I forgot to. Oh, there. Huh? Do I have to rip this off? Yes, I got it. I gotta rip it off. Oh, I ripped too much. Wait. Ah. I could have just did that. Never mind. Yo! I got another one. Wait, where's the other one? Here's the other one. The same ball. It's the same ball. I'm gonna just take off this plastic. We don't need that. We don't need that. Wait. Can you pause the video for a second? Okay, I found this. We're just cutting these. Okay, let's open the top. I'm gonna go to this. Another action figure. Why does this have no? Does this really have no instructions? Guess I gotta figure this out.
There, it's in front.
I'm gonna do this my own way, I think. Okay, where's the head? Oh, I thought I was gonna break that. I'll just put the trash in there. This one looks like I could literally press the button. Just like this, but it did not even work at the same time. Oh. It did not even work like both of them. I need to cut the ears.
Are you sure you need to cut the ears?
What am I gonna do?
I think you can just insert that inside the head. I don't think... Look at the instructions.
Look at this, look at this.
Ah, okay.
And it's cut.
Okay.
It's cut. That's super good. I'm just gonna make it stay there. Oh. Okay, this one is actually kind of hard. Now I made the ears. What is this? This is left and this is right. Left. Did I just say that right? Is this left or is that right? Left,
Yes.
right, left, right. It says here left, right. Is this mirrored?
I don't know.
Left, right, left, right. Am I doing that correct?
If Pokemon, if who's that? If Pikachu is facing you, then it's his right. Your
That's
left
right.
is his right, and your right is his left.
Oh. So I think this is here. I think this is here and this one. Yeah. Yes. That sounded dumb. I think I can insert it. I can insert. Wait, what? Did I do this right?
Yes.
Okay, then how am I gonna put this here?
You insert that first. Open it up. Insert the ears and the tubes.
This is gonna take some time.
Let me help you.
I'm just gonna cut. I'm just gonna cut the other parts.
Do it one at a time, babe. So you won't get yourself confused.
So I think this is left and this is right.
Insert the ears here.
Finally. Oh, okay. Oh, literally.
I think you're inserting it to the wrong side.
Thank you for telling me. Come on. Pikachu. I can move his ear. That's so cute. I like that cute boy. This one is actually hard. Why is it so hard?
Should it be the other way around?
Oh wait, yeah. Sometimes I always forget.
And then do the same thing on the other side.
Yeah. Yes, he got me full ear. Where's the... Oh, there. I got distracted for a second. Did they put this right? Yep. Pikachu. I like him. Okay, now the body. This is the body. Gotta do it again. How did I forget? Oh yeah, I forgot. I put the ears, so that's why it's so easy. This looks weird. Did I do this right? Did I do this right? I think this is the neck. This is the neck, okay. Now, I'm just gonna put it here. Why is this not getting insert? Oh, there. This feels weird. What? Did I do it wrong? Did I do it wrong?
No, I think it's just right.
Why is his head so wobbly?
Because you haven't inserted the other parts yet.
Okay. What should I do next? Zebode.
You only have 4 minutes left to finish it.
Oh,
You no
no.
longer have space in our phone.
Ow! This is literally my fastest. I'm literally doing this. Oh, wait, no. I did this wrong again. Yes. Yes! That's why. Yes! Okay, now I gotta do the...
Insert the other parts first.
this.
The hands and the legs.
Why does he have a giant booty cheek? I did it wrong again, bro. No, I'm right. Just gotta turn around his head. This is literally my fastest, guys, okay? Ooh, that sounded good. That sounded clean.
Aren't you supposed to insert the hands and legs first before you close it?
Meh. I'm doing this my own way.
Okay.
I think these are the hands. Yep. Then we're just gonna connect it. He got move. Oh, you're right. You're so right. You got to.
You don't have to remove the head. Just the body.
This is my fastest. Come on. Get up. You're actually right.
2 minutes left.
No. Stop. No. I'm literally going wobbly mode right now. Now cut the legs off. He got chunky legs, alright? No. I want to show you guys the finished result right now.
1 minute.
Oh, no. No! Why did you fall off? I want to show you guys the finish. Oh, no. I'm getting too stressed. I'm getting stressed right now. Too stressed. Now the tail! Yes!
Congratulations.
Why did it fall off?
Okay, you can just reinsert it.
Here's the
Yay.
finished Pikachu. Wait. No. I forgot the ball. And here is his ball. I think this one is slightly bigger. Yep, it's slightly bigger. I'm gonna just put all the trash in here now. Get in. We might
Very
do.
good.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
We might do some more of these Pokemons. By the way,
How much did you buy it? How much was it?
this one was $3.29 and the other one. Oh, we got to get the plastic. It's here somewhere.